is electrically converted from decimal form to a plastic tape. When complete manufacturing data has been transposed to a single tape, it is ready for the tape reading unit, which electronically reads the information on the tape to the computers. To eliminate the possibility of any errors during the reading process, a special parity check electronically warns the system of incorrect readings. If an error occurs, the machine is halted until it is corrected. As a further safeguard, a system of watching the watchman is used. A built-in planned error system operating on a time pattern challenges the tape reader at predetermined intervals to ensure that the parity system is operating. As the tape is being read, checked, and rechecked by the tape reading unit, the data are being assimilated by the electronic control units. These highly sensitive yet compact electronic brains can also be storing additional information for the next machining run. Containing the latest innovations in miniaturized circuitry and modern construction, these electronic control units use diodes and transistors rather than vacuum tubes, thus providing maximum reliability with minimum power requirements and greater compactness. Maintaining meticulous surveillance and control of the entire manufacturing process, the computers, dictating electronic instructions, produce swiftly and steadily part after part after part with extreme accuracy and reliability. Another unique feature, the positioning and measuring unit, further increases the system's reliability by monitoring all actions of the machine tool elements. During a recent test period, 8 billion counts were measured by this remarkable unit without error. However, the most significant features of this production system stem from the collective advantages gained through its flexibility and versatility, with perhaps the most important of these being its ability to control any number or variety of production machine tools, coupled with its complete adaptability to small lot production. Not to be overlooked is the fact that taped instructions for setups and machining runs for 1 part or 10,000 can be stored, then used again and again. And each time, the faultless accuracy of the original machining will be duplicated. Ideally suited for the fast-paced changes and shorter runs which constitute the bulk of today's industrial production, these versatile, electronically automated controls will, in the future, be monitoring virtually all phases of production, from part setup to final inspection.